Hello and welcome. You are now looking at a standard internet marketing sales letter, which is being displayed before you in what is probably a PowerPoint or a Google Doc presentation. And what we're going to do in this course is we're going to take a standard presentation like this and we're going to turn it into an animated video. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to actually go and get content for our sales letter. And if you have difficulty writing that content, we are going to find a sales letter that we have the private label rights to, and we're going to open up a document and we're going to copy that document into a Microsoft Word document. Now, the most important thing here is that we are doing this as an example. You want to make sure that you have the private label rights in order to use the copy in your sales letter. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up this index document. We're going to copy it all into a Microsoft Word document. So what we're going to do is we're just going to copy all of this writing all the way down to the end. We're going to copy it and paste it. And then we're going to go to Microsoft Word. Now, when we paste the document, we're not going to bother with the formatting. We're just going to put the text in there. So once you've completed this process, you should have a fair amount of sales copy that you can actually use for your animated video. Again, you can certainly write your own sales copy, but the easiest way, if you don't have a lot of time, you can go and pick up a private label rights sales letter that you have the rights to, copy all of the information into a Microsoft Word document and leave it in text form. And then we are going to go to the next step in the process. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. So now that we have our content inside of a Microsoft Word document, what we're going to do is we're going to edit this content for a particular sales video. So some of the things that we're actually going to use, we will not be narrating in a slide. So we want to take out all of that information and leave only the information that we're going to do in our narration. So what we've done for the sake of time is we've cut this down to about a page and a fourth. Now you can do as much copy as you want. It really doesn't have to be done exactly the way we're doing it in terms of editing. You want your copy to read the way you actually want it to appear to your customer or to your prospect. We've done, for the sake of time in this video, about 1/4 of the actual full content. So now what we're going to do is we're going to format this content for slides. In order to do that, we're going to go to the view area, and then we're going to turn this into an outline. And what we want to verify with the outline is that we have one line for every thing that we have here, and that our slides are going to have one idea at a time. So we've taken out all of the extra information. Our outline looks good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to save this as an outline. Okay, so now that we've saved that document, we can actually close this and we can now open Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so we now have a new copy of Microsoft PowerPoint open, and we're going to now bring in the outline that we just created. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the view area. We're going to go to the slide master. We're going to scroll all the way to the top. We're going to get rid of this box. We're going to bring this title slide down to the middle. And what we're going to do is we're now going to go back to the view area. We're going to go normal. And now what we're going to do is we're going to open up the outline. So we're going to grab that outline now, and we're going to pick it up here and click Insert. And then Microsoft PowerPoint is going to bring in those outlines into our PowerPoint script. So now our script is now ready to be narrated into an audio document. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.